Hello, welcome. Time for our Sculpt Yoga for everybody, as every Thursday. My name is Alicia, fitness yoga expert, and welcome to my APG.STUDIO channel. Get yourself ready, make sure you've got some water and enough space around you. Let's start with your feet, hips width apart. Inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale, bend your knees and slowly fold forward. Inhale all the way up. Slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. And 3 more. 3, 2, and 1. Step back to down dog position. March on the spot. Inhale, move forward, just 3 inches all the way to plank. Exhale, down dog. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 3 more. 3, 2, and 1. On your forearm to child pose. You can rock your hips side to side, hands with your shoulders width apart. And now, yoga push-up preparation. Inhale, slowly exhale. Straight arms, or if you're stronger, try to bend, but don't drop your hips, okay? That's too much strain for your lower back. You want to build the strength in your core and your upper body, so hold your hips high. Maybe 3 more. 3, 2, and 1. Right leg forward. Feel the stretch front of your left leg, glutes and hip on your right, and now arms. Inhale, slowly exhale. Squeeze your glutes in your back leg. Inhale and exhale. Try 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. On your 4 or the plank position. Down dog. Again, you can march on the spot. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Maybe 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Left leg to the front. Hips as low as you feel comfortable, stretch, and arms. Inhale and exhale. Strong glutes, your right side. Inhale and exhale. Three more. 3, 2, and 1. Again on your 4 or plank, down dog, march to the spot. And now hands towards your feet, slowly all the way up. Deep inhale, slowly exhale. And again, just few steps or all the way to plank. And exhale, back to your feet. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 3 more. And last one, if you're still with me. I hope you're still smiling. Inhale and exhale. Bring your knees, child pose, rock side to side. You can drink your water, just a few sips. I've got your legs in front of you. Feet with your hips width apart, hands close to your hips with your palms facing forward. And now you're going to lift your hips. Inhale, slowly exhale. If you're stronger, your upper body, hold your hips off the ground. Still ready for more challenge? Try to swing your hips between your arms. Inhale and exhale. Try 3 more, whatever option works for you. 3, 2, and 1. We're going to lay down your back. Hold your right knee. Lift your left leg. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Lower back on the floor. Remember from the previous episodes how to correctly work with your abs, how to keep these muscles active, to build the strength at the front, to avoid put any strain in your lower back area. If you're stronger, try with your head, shoulders up, but no discomfort in your neck. Get out your left or both arms. Could be arms higher. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wrap your left, right leg. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Again. You can push for more if you're ready, if you're still holding abs in and you're still keeping a nice smile on your face. On your right arm both or arms higher. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 5 together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross legs, rock to sit, change position to stretch your abs. Strong glutes, keep doing your forearms if you're feeling your abs stretch already, or try with your chest higher. Hold your hips on the floor, shoulders down. And now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Child pose to stretch your lower back. Now, right leg forward again. You can keep your right arm behind to reach for your left arm. Strong glutes on your left side. Inhale, keep your chest high. Exhale, swing forward. Inhale and exhale. More challenge for your legs. Keep your toes tucked under. When you lean forward, try to lift your knee off the floor. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. If your position is not very stable, help yourself, your arms on the floor. Maybe 3 more. 3, 2, and 1. On your forward or plank, change your side. Left arm behind, inhale and exhale. And again, more challenge. As you lean forward, lifting your right knee, so you need to squeeze the glutes on your right side as hard as you can. And again, for strength, your balance, help yourself with your hands on the floor. Maybe 3 more. 3, 2, and 1. Again on your forward or plank. And now down dog. March in the spot. On your 4 to child pose, rock side to side, look forward, so muscles in your neck still active. And relax. Okay, that's all. Give me a high five for another Sculpt Yoga together. We just started a few weeks ago, so if you missed it, I put the playlist link in here so you can watch it in every session slowly, going to give more options to push and challenge your body. And I hope you're gonna be ready for that. So if you enjoyed this session, please give me thumbs up. You can share the link with your friends. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss any content from my channel. So have a nice weekend, and I see you next Thursday. Bye guys.